Independence Day is around the corner and I wanted to do a video which is kind of related to it. I was looking on YouTube to get some ideas and I came across this fun tag called the ethnicity or the Desi tag, and I thought, why not? Let's do it. So let's begin. Question number 1. Where are you from? I am from India. Not that there was a doubt about it. Yes, I'm from India and I have been brought up in India. My father was born in India, but my granddad was actually from Lahore and he moved to India at the time of the partition in the year 1947. And because of that, Lahore happens to be one of those places that I definitely want to visit because my roots are there, right? I've got to go there at least once. Okay, so question number 2. What part of your country you are from? It's a very complicated answer, so let me demonstrate. So I was born here in Delhi, and then 9 years ago I left Delhi to live in Mumbai, and now I live in Mumbai. It wasn't really complicated, was it? Question number 3. Name one Desi food you enjoy the most. Well, that's a very difficult question. I mean, we live in India and India is such a diverse country that we have so many foods that are awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 4 foods that I really love. One from the north, one from the south, one from the west, and one from the east. Here you go. So from the south we have idli and sambar. From the west we have dhokla and khandvi. From the east we have mishti doi. And from the north we have rajma chawal. Question number 4. What Desi languages do you speak? I can speak in 2 Desi languages. One is Hindi, the other one is Punjabi. Hindi तो मुझे बहुत अच्छी तरह से आती है क्योंकि हम लोग घर पे हिंदी में ही बात करते हैं. और दूसरी लैंग्वेज है पंजाबी. पंजाबी च भी मैं थोड़ी बहुत ही गाल कर लेना. Question number 5. Name one household item that best represents your culture. I have to think about that one. Actually, I'm just gonna go look around. That's 1. That's 2. This is the Bhagavad Gita. That's 3 and that's 4. I mean, we do eat a lot of rotis in India. And the last question is, if you could meet one well-known Desi person, who would it be? I'm actually going to pick somebody who's no more. He is Mahatma Gandhi and I've been such a big fan of his. I've read so many books about him and I absolutely love what he did for our country. So that's it. That was the last question and now you know what I'm going to say. Happy Independence Day. That rhymes. Yeah, it happened, yeah.
Ew.
There's more. Now it's just blood.